In this problem, I'm going to multiply these two polynomials, this one and this one. These are polynomials of degree 2. That means the highest power of x is 2. In multiplying these polynomials, what I'm going to do is multiply term by term, and in the process I'll be using the distributive property and properties of exponents. So let's just do this one. X squared times x squared is going to be x to the power 4. Remember, x squared times x squared is equal to x to the power 2 plus 2, which is x to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. So the property of exponents that I have used in simplifying it is x to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. We are making the assumptions that a is an integer and b is an integer, and both of them have the same base x here, so that's why we can combine. Remember, if I had x to the power a and y to the power b, then we couldn't combine it, assuming that x and y are different. So if the bases are different, you cannot combine them. Bases have to be the same. Now let's continue. Then x squared times 7x, so x squared times 7x is going to be 7 times x squared times x, which is going to be 7 times x. X is the same as x to the power 1. 7 times x to the power 2 plus 1, which is 7 times x cubed, because 2 plus 1 is 3. So there's going to be negative 7x cubed. Because x square is positive and 7x is negative, so positive times negative is a negative number. Now let's do the same thing. Positive x squared times 3 is going to be just 3x squared. Now we have to do the exact same thing for all the other terms in the first polynomial. So we're going to do it for 3x. So 3x times x squared is going to give me 3x cubed. And then 3x times negative 7x is going to give you negative 21x squared, and then 3x times 3 is gonna be positive 9x. Now we do the same thing, but this time we need to do it for 2. So 2 times x squared is gonna be 2x squared. Then 2 times negative 7x is negative 14x, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Now let me go ahead and combine the like terms in this calculation. So x to the power 4, I'm just going to write it here, x to the power 4, that's the highest power. Then x cubed, so let's combine the x cubes. Negative 7x cubed plus 3x cubed is negative 4x cubed. Then the square terms, negative 21x squared plus 2x squared is going to give me negative 19x squared. And then the x term, 3x minus 14x is going to be negative 11x. And then we have 6. That's about it. There's nothing else. So plus 6. Now if I multiply these two polynomials, this one and this one, the end result is going to be this one. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.